Unraveling English Idioms, in 2 ticks. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to decode the meaning behind the phrase, in 2 ticks. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your idiomatic knowledge, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and explore this expression that often buzzes around in conversations. In 2 ticks is a quaint British English idiom that you might hear quite often. It means very quickly or in a moment. If someone says they'll be with you in 2 ticks, they're telling you they'll join you or complete a task very soon. The origin of this phrase is quite interesting. A tick refers to a short period of time, often a second, which is the sound a clock makes. Imagining 2 ticks of a clock gives us the sense of something happening almost instantaneously. That's how this idiom got its meaning. Using this phrase is simple. If you're about to do something promptly, you can say, "I'll be there in 2 ticks," or "I'll finish this in 2 ticks." It's a more colorful way to say soon or shortly, and adds a personal touch to your conversation. Let's look at some examples. Can you help me with this? Sure. I'll be with you in 2 ticks. When will dinner be ready? It'll be on the table in 2 ticks. And that's all for today. Remember, learning idioms can be a fun way to enrich your vocabulary and sound more like a native. We hope you can now use in 2 ticks confidently in your next conversation. Catch you in 2 ticks with our next video.